What's up you guys? Magandang araw. Ito, panibagong vlog na naman tayo guys. Papakita ko lang yung mga ginagawa namin in 14 days. At ito pala, ano na pala namin ngayon? Last day, bali bukas. Ihatid na kami sa mga kanya-kanya naming kumpanya guys. At ito guys, papakita ko lang yung mga ginagawa namin. Siyempre, naglilinis kami at exercise, samahan rin ng exercise para pagdating sa trabaho hindi kami mahirapan sa trabaho namin, hindi mabigat sa katawan. At yun lang guys, ito panoorin natin na ginagawa namin in 14 days. Tara guys! Yan guys, on muna natin. Dumi dyan. Guys, dito tayo sa CR. Ayun ang CR nila dito, oh. Diba? Ang CR. Washing. Itong washing na to, may dryer na. Automatic na siya. Tapos ito yung lutuan guys. Ayan. Ayan guys, no smoking. Quiet at night. Ito pala guys, kaya lagi akong naka-jacket dahil yun, nakapatay lagi yung ano natin, yung heater natin, tsaka nakabukas to para masana yung katawan namin na malamig kasi malapit na yung trabaho pa naman dito, malamig, nasa loob lang siya pero nakabukas, kaya kailangan sanayin yung katawan namin na malamig. Yun lang guys, yung ginagawa natin tuwing umaga pagkagising, nakalakas ng katawan, hindi kalawangin. Ito lang guys, parang nag-treadmill pa lang. Sarap sa tiyan. 20 lang muna. Kaya pa natin ng 20.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you.
Yun lang po, sa wakas natapos din ang 14 days quarantine namin. At sa Miyerkules magsisimula na kami, bakbaka na. Yun lang po guys, maraming salamat at natapos mo hanggang dulo. At please subscribe and hit the notification bell para laging updated ka sa aking mga bagong videos. Yun lang po guys, maraming salamat. Happy New Year, bye bye.